Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you don't subscribe, then subscribe it first. Now the topic is StructuredSettlement Annuity USA. Introduction to StructuredSettlement Annuities. StructuredSettlement Annuities USA is your unlimited source for comprehension, information, and insights into structured settlement annuities. Whether you are new to the concept or seeking expert guidance, our channel is dedicated to providing valuable content about structured settlement, their benefits, legal aspects, and much more. We understand the comprehension to structured settlement and aim to be your go-to platform for everything you need to know about them. Navigation: the world of structured settlements. Structured settlement are a critical financial tool that offer long-term security and stability. In this channel, we will dive deep into the various aspects of structured settlement annuities, explaining how they work and why they are chosen as a preferred option for invalids who have received legal settlement or awards. For exploring the adventures such as tax benefits and guaranteed payment, discussing how they differ from lump sum settlements, where here the unravel the intricacies and help you make informed decisions. Expert insights and advice. Our channel boasts a team for experts with extensive knowledge in the field of law, finance, and investment. We will feature in-depth decision and interview with professionals who will share their insights into the world of structured settlement. Whether you are an attorney seeking to better service your client, a recipient of a settlement exploring financial options, or simply curious about the topic, our expert-driven content will provide you with a clear understanding of the benefits and consideration associated with structured settlement amenities, exploring legal and financial implications. Understand the legal and financial implications of structured settlements is essential. We will delve into the legal process involved, the role of insurance compliance, and the importance of working with experienced professionals to ensure a seamless transition to structured settlement amenities. Additionally, we shall address frequently asked questions and debunk common misconceptions, improving your to approach structured settlement with confidence and clarity. Join us in navigating structured settlement. Thank you for considering the structured settlement amenities USA channel as your valuable resource. Don't miss out on our upcoming video that will share light on the nuisance of structured settlement amenities. By subscribe to my channel, you shall stay uploaded with the latest trend, expert advice, and real life stories related to structured settlement amenities. Whether you shall legal, personal, and beneficiary, or some intrigued by financial planning, invite you to be part of our growing community and embark on a journey unusual unravel to the potential of structured settlement annuities. Thanks for watching.